Hey guys, so today I'm going to review this Organic Promises Retinol Mushroom Serum. So as we look at its box, it has the company name, the product name, and over here it's mentioned that what are its ingredients. So its basic ingredients are retinol, niacinamide B3 and hyaluronic acid, and here its quantity is written, so its quantity is 30 ml. Next we come to this side, so it has the how it works, like how it works on your skin, how it enhances your skin texture and your acne and acne scars. Next, onto this side we have how to use it, that how you can use it on daily life, but you can change your usage according to your routine or your skincare routine. And below it are the ingredients that are included in it. So its main ingredients are, as I told you, aqua, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide B3, retinol, almond oil, lemon oil, and mushroom extracts and cucumber extracts. Now if you open the box and we look at the product itself, so it comes in this glass bottle, and it has this push type of nozzle on the top. So if you push it, so this is the consistency of the serum. As you can see, it is water based serum, aqua based serum, and it has a watery consistency. It completely blends in your skin. After dabbing it onto your skin just for 1 or 1.5 minutes, it completely blends in your skin. So I've been using it for almost a month, and I have almost finished the bottle. According to me, it's best to use it at night time and in the morning if you're going out or going to work or school. So it's better to use sunblock after it. Or even if you're just in home, you have to use sunblock on your skin if you're using this product. But it doesn't have that much quantity of retinol, so you can use it on daily basis, and you can include it in your daily skincare routine. So this is a good retinol product to include in your skincare if you are in your late 20s, like from 25 and above, and as it is affordable and it is a good quality product at the same time. As I have been using it for 1 month, so I have seen drastic change in my skin. I used to have acne on my lower cheek area, on my chin area, and on my forehead area, but right now, as you can see, all the acne is gone. Like, my skin is really smooth, and even the acne scars have been pretty much faded away just by the proper use of this product. The one and only con that I found in this product is that it has a very lightly garlicky smell, which also goes away just after 15 to 20 minutes of its use. But if you're using it in the night time, so you won't have any issue with that. Lastly, if we come to its price, so as I told you, it is reasonable and affordable. Its price is just 1700 rupees, which is very reasonable for such a good product. So I would definitely recommend this product to you. Do try it. I will mention their page down below in the description, so go check out their page and do let me know how did you found this product. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.